Tito Ed, happy birthday po. More birthdays to come. God bless, take care. Mama, chup chup, chuwarwa.
Hi, Tito Ed. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Bigyan ng jacket.
Hi! Happy birthday! Pa-burger ka naman! Ingat!
Dad, ayos mo na.
Re, happy birthday. Re, pakis.
Happy birthday, Ed. Go on with your journey. And may you have many more birthdays to come.
Ba't ang ikli?
Ano na, ikita yung ating dingding ng putak eh.
Hi Ed! Happy birthday! Kumain ka ng madaming lobster at saka
Crabs.
live crabs na steam. Happy birthday! May all your wishes come true. Sana sama-sama tayo nagse-celebrate ng birthday mo. Kaya lang malayo kayo. Okay, take care and regards. Tulog na si Mikus, kaya hindi nakabati sa iyo. Happy birthday! Take care and regards. Bye-bye.